Mukti started in 1986, 40 years back, in a small garage. The need of artificial limb that time in South India was a lot because there was only KK Nagar and they were not doing so many legs what required to do. That's why Mukti came in being. And Mukti in 40 years have their own premises, no government aid. Mukti has run only by well-wisher, friends, relatives and people who understand the cause. Today we are here to celebrate 40th year of Mukti to bring an awareness in the public also and in people where of course media is playing a big role to support. The first thing, Rani magazine, who interviewed me, at that time nearly 800 applications came, and that is the power of media. So to bring an awareness it was necessary, and we have done more than 4.5 lakh people artificial limbs. We have done in 5 continents, Africa, Brazil, Mexico, Russia. We have completed and we taught them the technology also. This is how Mukti developed slowly, step by step. Today we have going to complete 40 years. The program was of course for Mukti, but we want to bring something unusual, and that was lucky that I heard about this troupe, which is full ladies troupe. The orchestra is latest, it's the first time Chennai is having. So I said, why not, we are talking of empowerment of ladies. Why not we do this and bring it to the public, a show which is something different than others. It's all Hindi music, but I'm sure you will love it. Please hear and go.
Mukti is doing a great work, and this program is specially organized for the fundraising program and awareness among all these our Tamil Nadu and other places. Mukti is all well known everywhere, but still we want to have fund collection and do more and more artificial limb connection to amputees and those who require needy people. So this program was done on the basis of that, and every year we are planning to do this so that awareness among all the people will be more. And we have also decided that this program will take it to other states and try to get more and more amputees and help them by providing artificial limbs. This is our main aim, and I am sure that it will reach the greatest height in helping the social work.
I will be failing if I don't say the miracles what happened because of Mukti. Today there is a boy who came to us when he was 2-year-old. He studied in Shishya. Mukti took the sponsorship in Shishya, and today he is in Bangkok. He is playing badminton champion. Many of our patient handicapped people have gone into Para-Olympic, and we do sports also every year. So Mukti taught them dignity, self-respect, and stand their own feet, and no burden to the family. They are bread earner in the family.
Mukti is moving step by step. We have organized a job fair for the amputees whom we have put hands, legs and calipers. We have had a job fair for them. Out of 200 entry, about 157 had got job in India in big companies, corporate offices, and they are working very well and they are very happy. We try to get the feedback also from the patient, how they are, whether they are comfortable or not. We take the feedback and they all are very happy getting the job by Mukti.
Today we have decided to felicitate one of the ladies who have done a good job and good name in her own area, and that is Neena Reddy. We are felicitating her, honoring her, and I hope she will also help many more ladies.
She is from Hotel Savera. Neena Reddy is from Hotel Savera, and our chief guest is from Chairman of Karnataka Bank, Bangalore.